We have another Mercedes here with the ignition failure, key not working correctly. This is going to be a 1997 E320. So basically, I already started taking it apart. But here's the key. Apparently, the key broke a couple times. If you see, I put the key in there. Let me see, get the flashlight. There you go. Uh-oh. It turns sometimes. There you go. Now it won't turn, but they brought us a new cylinder, so we're gonna end up switching out the cylinder, cutting them new key, transferring the chip out of this key into the new key, and that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back at this Mercedes. What's this? The E320. We repaired the ignition, changed out the cylinder that they supplied us. We cut them a new key. We put their chip in this key. We made them a new door key because that other key that they had, it had so much epoxy and whatever. Once I dug the chip out, the key was basically destroyed. So this is what everybody wants to see. Ignition nice and smooth. 2 fingers. Boom. Start. It's on. That's about it. If you're in Georgia, you're having this problem, give me a call. Like this customer did, they brought the car to me. This customer actually was about an hour and a half out, so they drove the car to me. Now, if you're in another state, it's going to be virtually impossible for me to fix this for you because I'm going to need the car in front of me, and you're not going to be able to remove the ignition without the key working. So, yeah, you just have to call somebody local. Hopefully, they know what to do. And that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.